Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Alkylation take place on benzene. Benzene treated with methyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3, we get methyl benzene is a product. This one. This is a reaction, simple reaction. Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction is take place by the following this mechanism. First step, generation of electrophile. In this methyl chloride, electrophile is generated by using AlCl3, anhydrous AlCl3. This chlorine is absorbed by the AlCl3 in the formation of Cl minus. Chlorine is absorbed by the AlCl3. After liberation of chlorine as a Cl minus, we get positive charge on CH3. This is a positive charge. CH3 plus, we called as this is electrophile, and the Cl minus and AlCl3 we get AlCl4 minus. After generation of electrophile, next substitution of electrophile. This electrophile is going to substitute on benzene. Substitution means one of the atom position, one of the atom or group position replaced with another one of the atom or group. In this, before substitution, the CH3 plus is going to form a bond with the benzene. It need one electron. So that is the reason this bond it contains 2 electrons. In these 2 electrons, this bond is going to shifted on this. This bond is going to shifted on this. So methyl is bonded at this position. This bond is shifted from this carbon also. So we get positive charge in this position, positive charge. This positive charge is going to stabilize by shifting of this bond in this position. The positive charge like this. This positive charge is going to stabilize. This is a E means electrophile. Every reaction following this stabilization way, this positive charge is stabilized by shifting of this bond to this position, and we get positive charge in this position, and this positive charge is also going to stabilize by shifting of this bond, positive charge in this position. The positive charge is stabilized by this following way. That is the reason we indicate like this. After this, regeneration of catalyst. Catalyst is regenerated. Actually, catalyst is an AlCl3, but in that it is a AlCl4 minus formation is there. So it is an unstable one. The AlCl4 minus is going to abstract the H plus from this one. This bond is going to shifted on this. The positive charge is going to removed by the formation of bond. H plus absorbed by the AlCl4 minus. We get one Cl minus and H plus HCl and remaining AlCl3. This is a CH3 C6H5. CH3 C6H5 methyl benzene is a product. We called as toluene. This is a reaction mechanism. Next one is product of acylation. Acylation take place on benzene in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 by applying some heat. Benzene react with acyl chloride. Acyl chloride is CH3COO in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. We get benzene 6H5COCH3. Acetophenone we called as aceto. This is a esto group. Acetophenone we called as acetophenone plus HCl. The acylation also takes place by using acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride, this is acetic anhydride CH3 C double bond O C double bond O CH3. Acetic anhydride CH3 C double bond O, CH3 C double bond O taken twice, 2 is there and 1 oxygen. We called it this is the acetic anhydride, and acetic anhydride with benzene in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 followed by the heating, we get acetophenone. This is also acetophenone. Acetophenone is the product plus CH3COOH. Because of this bond is going to break, remaining CH3 C double bond OH and 6H5COCH3. Acetophenone is a product. This is also going to follow the same mechanism like Friedel-Crafts alkylation. In this same generation of electrophile is going to generated. by using of AlCl3. CH3 C double bond for Cl plus AlCl3. Cl is abstracted by the AlCl3 as Cl minus. Chlorine is removed from this one in the formation of Cl minus. We get positive charge in this position, CH3 C double bond for plus, remaining AlCl3 plus Cl minus AlCl4 minus. After generation of electrophile, substitution of electrophile is going to substitute on benzene by the shifting of bond. The positive charge appeared in this position. So bond is take place by in this position. This positive charge is stabilized by the following this way. In this electrophile, which one is electrophile? COCH3. Stabilized by this following structures. Shifting of these bonds or delocalizing of these bonds. Regeneration of catalyst. So this bond is going to shifted in this, double bond is going to form, and this hydrogen is removed in the formation of H plus, this H plus and AlCl4 minus. We get HCl, H plus and Cl minus, HCl and remaining AlCl3, and after removal of H plus from this one, this bond is going to take place in this, and we get this is a bond, this one, C double bond O CH3. This is called as acetophenone. Okay, so this is a reaction mechanism. Next one is nitration. Nitration takes place on benzene. Nitro group is introduced into benzene ring. Nitro group introduced into benzene ring when benzene is heated with a mixture of concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid. We call it this is a nitrating mixture. We call it this is nitrating mixture. What is the nitrating mixture? Concentration of H2 and HNO3 and concentration H2SO4. We call it this a nitration mixture. Benzene heated with nitration mixture in the process 333 Kelvin temperature. Nitrobenzene we called as this is nitrobenzene is a product. Electrophile generated by using HSO4 and H2SO4 and HNO3. HNO3 oxygen is going to abstract the H plus from H2SO4. H2SO4 after removal of H plus it is going to form HSO4 minus, and oxygen abstracted by this oxygen we get HOH plus NO2. It is a positive charge appeared on oxygen, it is unstable one, it is going to form HOH NO2. This positive charge by the removal of directly in the formation of H2O. H2O is going to form H2O. Remaining NO2 plus electrophile is generated. We call it this is nitronium ion. Okay, this NO2 is going to substitute on benzene, same following the mechanism of Friedel-Crafts alkylation acylation. We get the product is NO2 nitrobenzene. Halogenation. Halogenation takes place on benzene in the presence of Lewis acids. Lewis acids FeCl3, FeBr3, okay, and anhydrous AlCl3. We get the chlorobenzene is a product. Chlorobenzene. Benzene react with halogen in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 or Lewis acids. We get chlorobenzene. So chlorobenzene, before that the electrophile is going to generated same way. So chlorine is removed in the formation of Cl minus, we get remaining Cl plus AlCl4 minus. So Cl plus electrophile is going to substitute on benzene by shifting of this bond. You Cl plus. So by shifting of this one we get Cl, positive charge appeared in this position. So it is going to stabilize Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation of same mechanism. This is also going to follow the same mechanism. So after shifting of this one, we get double bond and Cl. Chlorobenzene is a product. So if you take chlorine, that is a chlorobenzene. If you take bromine, bromobenzene. You take the Lewis acids FeBr3, FeCl3 like that. Okay. Next one is excess of electrophile. If the excess of electrophilic reagent is used, the further substitution reaction may take place in which other hydrogen atoms of benzene ring. So totally remaining hydrogens 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 hydrogens are going to replace with these 6 chlorines as electrophiles. The reaction take place and the anhydrous AlCl3 dark and cold temperature. We get hexachlorobenzene, 6 hydrogen positions. So it contains 6 hydrogens, C6H6. 6 hydrogen, C6H6, 6 hydrogen position replaced with 6 chlorines. Total how many is there? 6 Cl2. In this total 12 chlorines, in this 6 chlorines are replaced with 6 hydrogens and remaining 6 hydrogens with 6 Cl. So we get C6HCl. Total 12. So 6 and 6 Cl. Total 12 is completed. We call as this is hexachlorobenzene. Hexachlorobenzene. Addition reactions are involved by the benzene under vigorous conditions at high temperature and pressure in the presence of particular catalyst. What is that catalyst? Nickel in this. This hydrogenation takes place on benzene in the presence of nickel catalyst. We get cyclohexane. So what is the meaning of that? 6 hydrogens are added to this benzene. This is a C6H6. After adding of 6 hydrogen to this one, we get C6H12. So the pi bonds are going to remove. 3 pi bonds are going to remove with 6 hydrogens. We get C6H12. So total 12 hydrogens. Hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. This is a C6H12 cyclohexane. Cyclohexane is a product. The chlorination takes place under UV light, under ultraviolet at 500 Kelvin temperature. Benzene hexachloride is a product. We call it this the gamaxine. It is used for the killing of insects like ant. Benzene, 3 chlorine molecules are added to the benzene to produce benzene hexachloride. This is a C6H6. We get C6H6Cl6 BHC, benzene hexachloride. Benzene when heated in air, it is gives shooty flame producing carbon dioxide and H2O. Benzene is exposed to flame in the presence of air. We get carbon dioxide and H2O. It gives shooty flame.